Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item to us here at Grantham, in that of the Siena 6FB 2021. So this is the twin axle based on the Quattro FB, so a standard width Caravan as opposed to the 8 foot wide, but our Siena being bespoke to us here at Grantham. So looking at that particular Caravan, you've got the wonderful Siena logo that you see on the front, so new for 2021 in that chrome logo. You've got the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side, you've got the Siena logo and also bespoke decal that you see going all the way down the side of the Caravan. You've got an exterior barbecue point, access hatch to underneath the front couch, and also an exterior 240 volt socket. Benefiting from a side access hatch to underneath the rear French bed, and also on this particular model having the 2-lay bike rack fixings should you wish to put a bike rack on the back of the Caravan. So an extremely well spec'd and high quality finish on this twin axle 6-berth family Caravan. So stepping inside, an introduction for 2021 is this Arlesian wood grain that you see going through. Used to be just the white finish that you see in the cupboard there in 2020, and I feel this really offsets well against our bespoke Siena fabric scheme that you see here. Generous size long front couches, so you could sleep on those as single beds if you wish, but it does also make up into a generous sized double bed if you need it. Short pull out chest that you see popped out here, with also the PIR sensor for the alarm with that green light on it, and the Truma blown air vent. You've got a television point down the front, and also the aerial point and USB ports. Panoramic sunroof at the front of the Caravan, coupled by a medium-sized Hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space and light in the Caravan. You've got the Swift Command control panel located above the door, with built-in digital DAB radio. Inside here, you've got an auxiliary point there that you can plug in your iPhone, tablet, and play your own music. You can connect to it via Bluetooth via the app, or at a distance via GPRS, providing your phone and your Caravan has got signal. Your Truma blown air heating system and the control panel on the right hand side there. You've got an easy usable height microwave and a generous size kitchen area with under counter fridge. Here you have your side dinette, and these fixings here convert up and into a bunk bed, so a central bunk bed area or a single side dinette. You've got the white wood going through to the kitchen area, and you've got 3 gas hob burners and a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Stainless steel sink, and also a see-through there to the bedroom area with a blind on it should you need. You've got a pull-across concertina blind with clips in here to create some privacy in the bedroom. A generous size wardrobe to the left-hand side as we step to the centre of the Caravan. And your freestanding table just located there for the front. You can lift this bed up to access the storage underneath from here or on the access hatch outside. The wood grain going through to the bedroom area and matching headboards, and again our bespoke hand-selected curtains. Your sink in this model is just outside the bathroom area with the Siena logo on there with storage underneath and also some unique shelves tucked away. And your bathroom here, you've got a combination shower and toilet area in this particular model. So it's a great, fantastic 6-berth family Caravan with a great specification to it. Another feature of the Siena range being the fact that it's got a 100-watt solar panel on the roof as well. If you have any queries or questions on this particular model, please feel free to contact us. We'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around tour, and we look forward to the opportunity to do business with you. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.